Hi, I'm Dave Freeman and I'm with the Ohio Weatherization Training Center. And I'm here today to talk a little bit about some of these tools and about tool safety. We're going to talk a little bit about your circular saw. GFCI that needs to be installed anywhere you're using temporary wiring, which would be an extension cord, anything like that. Talk a little bit about utility knives and usage, blade disposal, the difference between hammers. Talk a little bit about some safety equipment, the N95 and the N100, which you should be using for lead work, safety glasses, gloves, etc. The different types of drills, corded drills, half-inch drills, common battery operated household drill. Talk a little bit about the Sawzall, how to change the blades, what to look for with your blades, the different types of boring bits that you'll be using, and we'll talk a little bit about how to use the jigsaw.